Hi, I'm Kate Davidson. I'm here at a home that we recently renovated in their master ensuite bathroom. The house is located in Mississauga, and this is such a wonderful bathroom. I want to show you around. When we started this renovation, the clients were looking for a bathroom that can accommodate a large soaker tub, a separate water closet, and a large shower. To give the bathroom a little more room, we stole some of the closet space from a hall closet and gave it enough room to have a large walk-in shower. A key feature of the shower is we designed it to be a walk-in shower. So it doesn't have a curb. Really, it's at the same level as the floor. So that's great for as you get older, if you do have wheelchair accessible needs, and it's wonderful for a seamless, elegant look. So for the shower floor, we chose a marble basket weave tile pattern. It really adds some interest against the main floor, which is a travertine tile. We also built in a custom niche as a great place to hold their shampoo bottles and soap. On the walls in the shower, we put large 12 by 24 marble tiles that complement the rest of the tile in the bathroom. For the plumbing fixtures, there's a lovely rain head as well as a handheld. Those are the two best fixtures really to have in your bathroom shower. Although the bathroom is very elegant and pretty, we used a few cost-saving tips to maximize on the budget. For the vanity, we needed a large 2-sink vanity. Rather than having something custom made, which can be quite costly, we actually took 2 vanities that were ready-made, put them together, and had one countertop made for the top, so it is one uniform vanity. Although we looked at a few different layouts for the bathroom, we kept the plumbing fixtures where they were. So we didn't move the toilet and we didn't move the shower, and that was a great thing to do, again, to save on costs. Now, a popular feature in bathrooms today is the freestanding bathtub. One key tip to remember is to have enough space around your bathtub, especially when you're bathing children, and gives you enough room to get in and out. So the color scheme for this bathroom really goes with the rest of the home. They didn't want it too modern and they didn't want it too traditional. So we kept a nice warm, neutral color palette with the espresso vanity, the cream travertine tile, and the cream marble. And then we painted the walls a warm hue of gray to just pull it all together and add a bit of a contemporary touch. I'm so pleased with how this bathroom's turned out, and so are my clients. It's really fit the bill for their needs and their design aesthetic.